What a volatile day on the SPY. If it's your first time coming across the channel, welcome to all subscribers. Welcome back. So in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator at 11 a.m. on Friday morning. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Full strength on 42 vision and call options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and in the top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us and become part of the community of members using 42 vision to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, continuing to push up and try to test the resistance of 600 and 602. It rejected it, and it's fighting here to stay above 595. Now, I'm going to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned over on our Discord yesterday on Friday morning. So the home run today was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description and the top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join the community of members using 42 vision to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down, and see the strength of trend with the multiple confirmations that 42 vision brings. So the home run today was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bull indicator at 11:15 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength on 42 vision, and call options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join the community of members using 42 vision. We look forward to seeing you join us and over at the Discord. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, doing a full transition from the dip area of Y-referred borders to bright green bars on 42 vision. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, under a bear indicator on the 15-minute at 599.50. Then we also see that here on the 30-minute under a bear indicator, but we have a divergence here of a bull indicator at the 599.20 level on the 1 hour, but the 2 hour is under a bear indicator since up here at 602. So this is going to be crucial going into Monday. If the weakness continues, that 1 hour is going to follow this 2 hour, and the bear indicators on the 15-minute and 30-minute will roll over into it and continue to hold. And that's something to not ignore going into Monday's trading day, right? Especially if this bear indicator on the 2 hour continues to hold. Those lower time frames, if they are all on bull indicators and this one does not change, it does not justify any move to the upside or retest of any resistance level, because this bear indicator also on the 4 hour is holding up and appeared in the pre-market on Friday, right at that 601, 602 level. I would not be ignoring this because we have larger time frames under bear indicators. We're going to see that here with our inflow versus outflows, and there's a bear indicator here that was pretty strong into the close on the 5-minute as well. And now we could see here the inflows versus outflows, and this is really where the strength is of our inflow versus outflow on these charts. The first thing is the outflow that appeared up here near 601, 602, that extra layer of confirmation of a bear indicator. And in the live action, when this inflow was sitting there, it came back and retested it, right? This is what happens with our inflow versus outflow. It's not guaranteed to hit it every single time, but these levels tend to get retraced and retested in the volatility, and that's what happened. We went from 600 all the way down to 597. It broke through it, and it went down to 596, and it's ranging here. So right now, we're at a critical area of compression of supports and resistance here of 601, 602 to 596 to 597, and we need to see if the bulls can reappear and cancel out this bear indicator. Same thing on the 15-minute too. We can see in these charts how we rejected as it was trying to come back up towards that outflow level and then came all the way down and is trying to hold the support here in the pre-market of the 594, 595 level, and then also in the live action. So we're in a tight range here again. Now, if this bear indicator continues to hold strong and the larger time frames, then we have supports down here to not ignore that are the inflow driven moves that have pushed us up back above 600. Okay, so those are levels to not ignore to the downside that I will be watching. And then in the live action and volatility, there's a strong outflow level here on the 3-minute that we rejected off of. And this is clearly where we could see the inflow versus outflows on the 5-minute, how it works, right? Blue is inflows dominating, outflows is red, and then outflows here are dominating, and you could see that there in their size, right? 342,000, and then also here 840,000, and we quickly reverse downwards. And our bull and bear indicators are there to add perspective of trend, right? The strength of trend and of the supports and resistance. The first support I'll be watching is 595, then all the way down to 592, and to the upside, it's going to be crucial to break through 598, get to 600, and then 602, 603 levels. Those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. And we could see that here again on Tesla. Perfect example of compounds here of bull indicator adding that extra layer of confirmation, double inflows that were strong. And what did we do? We retested and retraced to the outflow level that we had tested and touched on Thursday, and we rejected off of it. And we pushed up from 310, 312 all the way up towards it. And this is really where 42 Vision gives us that edge to see the strength of trend and confirmations of strengths of supports and resistance, because not always is it guaranteed to retest to these levels, but they tend to get touched, right? You could see that here on Netflix, pushing away from the support level. And what did it do? It tried going and gravitating towards retesting and retracing to that previous outflow level that has been rejected, not just once, but twice. And we could see once those inflows came in, how it came up to that outflow level, retested and retraced. And then same thing, once it rejected and retraced back down to this inflow level. And now it's in the middle of it. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.